Concept of Law by John Chipman Gray. John Chipman Gray was an American jurist and an important thinker of the realist school of law. He is well known for his book The Nature and Sources of Law. Gray gave a very practical and judge-centered concept of law. Meaning of law according to Gray. According to Gray, law is what the courts lay down and enforce. He clearly stated that white right-pointing backhand index law is what the judges declare. This means that statutes, customs, and precedents are not law by themselves. They become law only when judges interpret and apply them in actual cases. Law is judge-made. Gray believed that judges are the real makers of law. Legislature only provides raw material, statutes. The final and real meaning of law comes from judicial decisions. Thus, until a judge applies a rule in a case, it is not true law. Uncertainty of law. Gray emphasized that law is uncertain until a court decides a case. Before judgment, law is only a prediction. Certainty comes only after the judge's decision. This shows his realist approach, focusing on law in action. Rejection of natural law. Gray rejected natural law theories. He did not believe law is based on morality or natural rights. Law is a practical system created and enforced by courts, not by moral philosophy. Importance of courts. Gray gave supreme importance to courts because courts interpret statutes. Courts apply customs. Courts create binding precedents. Therefore, courts are the final authority of law. Criticism. Gray gave too much importance to judges. He ignored the role of legislature and customs as independent sources of law. His theory may reduce legal certainty before judgments. Conclusion. In conclusion, John Chipman Gray viewed law as a judge-made and court-declared reality. According to him, law does not exist in books or statutes until it is interpreted by judges. His theory strongly supports the realist school of law and highlights the practical working of the legal system.